Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Nursing Notes. Today I will discuss about operating instruments and general surgical instrument used in operation theatre and obstetric surgery. First one, Chital forceps, used for picking and transferring. Second one, Ramphels, sponge holding forceps, used for holding sponge or gauze to clean the operating field. Myers towel clips fix straps in the manner to expose operating field only. Also used to fix tubings and catering wire to traps in a way they do not fall. Third one, Dan's cross action towel clip. This clip can be substituted for Myers towel clips. After bird cracker nip handle with detachable blade for making the surgical blade handily and easy to use, providing grip. The whole width along with the blade is called scalpel. Artery forceps, small size, mucous, mosquito, medium and large. There are three types. Used for as a hematostat holding cut eggs to open up access, hold free ends of the suture, hold cut end of the sutures, breaking local extract. Kocher's forceps used to hold securely superior thyroid pedicle muscles, blood retracting cut ends of the blood vessels in through fiber tissue, hold ribs during rib restriction to causes artificial rupture of genital membrane. Right angled artery forceps use tie isolate in cycle and elongate vessels or ducts, those especially present in depth. Single double hook retractor uses to retract skin engage and to retract touch fossa. Cat's paw Volman's retractor, the retractor retraction of skin and through fossa. Mirror's retractor uses to retract strong structure like abdominal wall, muscles, and it gives wider space to work. Diesel reactor uses same as thyroid's use. Scardoin's retractor use in pelvic surgery for restriction at the condyle and abdominal incision. After dissecting forceps या thumb forceps, dissection forceps and thumb forceps plan to hold dilated tissue like peritoneum, vessels, blood, wall, and etc. Tooth to hold through suture like skin, fossa, rectus, still wall suturing. Eliza tissue forceps uses to hold thin but through tissues for purpose for giving traction can be used to hold tissues like fibrous capsules of sac begin dissection. Example, holding subcutaneous tissue, deep fossa, gaze or suture, cutting, scissor, straightening or curve. It is two types. And after uses for cutting, bandage, lined gauze, rubber, tubing extract. To cut, always access sutures materials after trying the knot. Knot is in the umbilical cord. Down's mouth gag uses for internal operations. Example, tongue excision, prolonged dental procedure. To open mouth in an unconscious patient for toiling and hygiene maintain. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, and subscribe the YouTube channel Nursing Notes, and don't forget to share this video and subscribe the channel and like the video.